Hello everyone. Today we are going to start worksheet 2 of data handling chapter 4 grade 8. Right? In the first worksheet we have seen objective questions. Now in this worksheet we are going to see subjective questions. Okay? So here we go. So first question. The probability that it will rain tomorrow is 0.85. What is the probability that it will not rain tomorrow? So whenever you get a question or where you are getting an event is happening and the same event is not happening, right? Then how you will do such type of question? Now see, total probability is always 1. Okay, it means probability of event, it always lie between 0 to 1, right? So total probability is always 1. It means happening of an event and not happening of an event, if we add both you will get 1. It means probability of happening of an event plus probability of not happening. How we write not happening? We'll put a bar over here. Okay, so probability of not happening an event equals to 1, right? Now here we need to find probability of not happening. So what we will do, from 1, if we subtract probability of happening, then we will get probability of not happening. Now 1 minus happening is 0.85. 0.85. Now we will subtract it. How we will subtract? 1, no decimal point, so it will be 1.00. From this we will subtract 0.85. okay, so now here it will be 5, 9 minus 8, 1, 0. So it will come 0.15. So the probability that it will not rain tomorrow is 0.15. Clear? Okay. Let's move to next slide. Yes. Now question number 2. A die is thrown. Find the probability of getting. Okay. So now whenever we throw a dice, how many, total, what are the total outcomes? So total outcomes. So whenever you throw a dice, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Like that any number can come. It means how many are the total outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 6 outcomes. Okay. Now first one, a prime number. Now out of these, how many prime numbers are there? 1 is neither prime nor composite. It's 2, 3 and 5. What are the prime numbers? Which has only and only 2 factors. One number itself and another one is 1. Okay, so how many favorable outcomes are there? 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 favorable outcomes. Okay, so what will be the probability? Probability is favorable outcome upon total outcomes. Favorable is 3, total is 6. It will be 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. It's 1 by 2. Clear? Now second, 2 or 4. Now here you can see 2 or 4, either 2 will come or 4 will come. So what are the favorable outcomes? There are 2 favorable outcomes, 1 and 2. So what will be the probability? Probability is favorable outcome upon total outcome. Favorable is 2 and total is 6. Here you can see total 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. 1 by 3 is the answer. Now third bit. Third bit says a multiple of 2 or 3. So multiple of 2 or 3. So out of these things, which one are the multiple of 2 or 3? 2. Yes, it is multiple of 2. 3. It is multiple of 3. 4. Multiple of 2. 5. Neither multiple of 2 nor 3. Leave it. 6. Multiple of 2 or 3 both. Okay, so there are how many favorable outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 favorable outcomes, right? And total outcomes are 6. So what will be the probability? Probability is favorable outcome upon total outcomes. Favorable is 4, total is 6. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So it is 2 by 3, right? So here for prime number answer is 1 by 2. For 2 or 4 answer is 1 by 3. A multiple of 2 or 3, it is 2 by 3, right? If instead of or, if it comes and, in that case only one favorable outcome will be there, which is 6. Means that a number which is multiple of 2 and 3 both. So there we have only 1 6, right? Or means either this one or both. Okay, yes. Now let's move to next slide. Yes. Now question number 3 says the percentage of various categories of worker in a state are given in the following table. Present the information in a form of pie chart. Okay. Now see, whenever we present information in form of pie chart, we always write these categories in degrees. Okay. So we'll convert it into degrees. So now let's see how to convert. It is given percentage of workers. So you can see 40, 25, 12.5, 10 and 12.5 complete 100%. Okay, it means that 360 is divided into 100% and these are the percentage. Okay, so let's find the degree. So now total degree. So in a circle, what is the total degree? Complete angle 360 degree. Okay, total degree 360 degree. Now for cultivators, 40% of 360 degree. Now 40% of 360 degree, how we will calculate? It will be 40. We will remove the percentage sign, 100 will come down, off means multiply 360. 0 to 0, 0 to 0 cancel out. Now 4 into 36, it is 144. Okay. Now next, agricultural laborers. So I'm writing AL. Agricultural laborers. So here it is 25 percentage. Okay. So 25% of 360 degree. Yes. So 25 by 100 into 360. So here 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So basically 360 by 4, which is 90 degree, right? Next is industrial workers. So degree is 12.5. So 12.5 percentage of 360 degree. So 12.5, when you remove percentage sign, 100 will come down, off means multiply 360. Now as we will remove this percentage sign, one more 0 will come down. Okay, so basically what it is? 125 by 1000 into 360. Now 125 ones are 125 and 125 eights are 1000. So it is 360 by 8. So when you divide 360 by 8, you will get 45. Okay. Or directly also you can calculate, as 25% is 90 degree. So half of 25 is 12.5. So that will be 45. It's up to you how you are calculating. Now next is commercial workers. Okay, it is 10. So 10% of 360 degree. So 10, remove percentage sign, 100 will come down, off means multiply 360. So 0 to 0, 0 to 0 cancel out. It is 36 degree. Next is others. If we see others, it is 12.5. Now 12.5 percentage of 360 degree. This 12.5 you have already calculated here. For industrial workers you got 45, so I'm writing directly 45 degree. Okay, so we got here 144 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 36 degree and 45 degree. Now we need to draw these. Okay, we will draw this in pie chart. Okay, so for pie chart, first of all we need to draw a circle, okay, with any radius. Now here you can see I have drawn a circle with some radius. Okay, now what we will do, we need protector here. Okay, so now this protector we will keep here. Yes, so now this protector will keep here this point. Yes, these point and this line should coincide. Okay, yes, right, now you can see this point and this line is coinciding. Now here, first of all we need to draw how many degrees? Yes, 144 degrees, right? So let's draw 144 degree. Now here, as you can see, this line is this side, so we'll draw one from here, 144 degrees. So 0, 10. So from here we'll start. Now you can see it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. We need to draw 144. Okay, so this is 140. Now 141, 2, 3, 4. This is basically 144 degree, right? Okay, so we'll draw 144. Although we will not draw till will not cross the circumference. Okay, so if it is crossing some circumference, you can erase this, right? Okay, so now I'm going to erase this one. Okay, yes. Now this line will work as baseline because this we have drawn as 144 degree. Okay, so this line will work as baseline. And now next is 90 degree for agricultural laborers. Okay, this one is industrial, sorry, yes, it is cultivators. 144 degrees cultivators, so here it is cultivators. Okay, now agricultural laborer, it is 90 degree. Now see, just now we have drawn this line, it means this line will work as baseline. So here we will draw 90 degree. How we will draw 90 degree? This point and this compass point should coincide. Okay, and then these lines will coincide, will draw. Okay, so first of all I'll rotate it. Yes, now these points should coincide. Still I need to rotate. Yes, now see, this line is also coinciding. Okay, yes, here I need to draw 90 degree. Now from this point you can see it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this is 90, right? Okay, now again the same thing, we will not cross this line, this circumference. Okay, so yes, it is 90 degree, which is agricultural laborers. So agricultural laborers, right? Now this line will work as baseline because this is the last drawn line. Next, industrial workers. For industrial worker 45. Okay. So now we'll consider this line as baseline and here we will draw 45 degree. Okay. So again, yes. So now these 2 points should coincide. This line also should coincide. Yes. Now 45 degree. Okay. So from here 45 degree, it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 45. Okay. You can see this is 45, right? Okay. So now, yes, we will not cross the circumference. This line, yes, it is 45. Okay, and it is 45 for industrial workers. So 45 for industrial workers. Okay. After that, 45 also we have drawn. Now next is 36 degree, which is for commercial worker. 36. Okay. So now as we have drawn this line at last, it means this line will work as baseline. Now commercial workers. We need to rotate it a bit more. Center should coincide, yes. Now 36 degree. So from here, yeah, 10, 20, 30, 35, and this one is 36. Okay, children? Yes. So now again the same thing. The line should not cross this circumference. Okay. So this is 36 degree. This is for commercial workers. Okay, 36 degree. Now rest is 45 degree for others. So here you can see it is rest is 45 degree for others. Right? So like this we draw the pie chart. Fine. So that's all for today's video. We still have 2 more questions which we will discuss in next video. Okay. So till then, bye bye. Take care and do revise.